Hey guys, it's me, Pegasus Lover 44, and welcome to another video. And today we're gonna be trying out a tycoon. Let's try Shop Tycoon. I saw this in one of Stampy's videos. You may have heard of him. He's pretty awesome. A huge fan of him. Anyway, so there's Shopping Tycoon, and that's what we are gonna play. Let's just wait a sec. As you might know, I don't really play games because everyone else plays them. Like, you know, I'm an anti-Fortniter, and nearly everyone at school plays it. But this, but Roblox, I just want to play for fun because it looks really cool. You guys should see the trailer; it's so legit. Anyway, here we are. Oh my God, don't really, I'm not a fan of this music. Ah! What is with this music? I can't find a way to mute it. Oh, but I can. That's better? No. So, actually, I'm kind of missing that, so that's good. Anyway, so here we are. Let's claim this place. It looks pretty good. Pegasus Love Rachel's Tycoon. Let's collect some cash. Cereal. But I don't have any Robux. What is with this game and Robux? Let's go and push some. Why isn't it doing anything? Do you guys know how to use this? Does any of you guys know how to punch or anything? Please, I'm so desperate. Let's see. Yes, that. Oh. Heh, lol. Anyway, you got. So. So. We seriously just keep doing this? Nah. Nah. Thought this would be more exciting, like the way Stampy did it. But how do I get cash? Hey, what's that sign? Let's go check it out. Hey, guys. Welcome to Shop Tycoon. Blah. Oh, why don't we just climb a bunch of shops? This is very boring. So, um, we should probably play a game that is more exciting. That's it. Screw this. Anyway, so, thanks for watching, you guys. See you all later. Maybe we can play some more Roblox games. But for now, bye!